Welcome back, everybody. I'm your host, Kelly Sparks, aka Red Beard. Forget my lines. Line, please. Redbeard. Oh, thanks. So I'm back for round 3, part 3 of the blind tasting. So this one is being recorded no less than 10 minutes after I finish smoking the Young Savages cigar and drinking the glass of Rock Hill Farms. So I haven't had enough alcohol to catch a buzz because it's been spaced out so far. But I mean, my palate is obviously manipulated. I've had dinner between the last tasting, part 2. Between it and this one, part 3, I've eaten dinner. Had some rotisserie chicken, rice, and some black beans. I've smoked the Young Savages cigar and drank a glass of Rock Hill Farms. So now, the conclusion to see how your palate changes over the course of a day and what you eat and what you drink, what you smoke, all that's going to change. This is the conclusion. So we're going to see what tops the list, see if I can even pick it out, because right now all I taste is cigar smoke. So this is going to be very interesting. I've never tried to do a blind tasting after smoking a cigar. I think this is a very good representation of how someone's day might go, and then them settling in for the evening with a glass of whiskey. So in my opinion, if you really want to find out what you like the best, you need to test out whiskeys after you've had a full day of food, after you've had some very flavorful meals, after you've smoked a cigar. Find it out. So, like before, and mind you, all of this is legit. I'm not trying to pull the wool over anybody's eyes. I got my water here again. We're going to do a palate cleanser, even though all I taste is cigar smoke. And all I can smell in my mustache is cigar smoke. So this is about as legit as you can find of a tasting. This is real life, folks. So here we go. Glass number 1. Let me see if I can neutralize some of that cigar smoke. That might be wild turkey again. I'm thinking this is the McKenna and this is a wild turkey. I'm really having to get deep in the glass to get the nose, get the aroma. And I'm pretty sure the far right glass is Knob Creek again. So I'm going to go ahead and start left hand first. I got a lot of flavors on it, but a lot of it is muted by the cigar smoke. It tastes really good, even still after the cigar. It tastes really good. So this could be anybody's guess. So even still, after the first sip, rinsing with the mouth, it's still a mouthful of cigar smoke. This one's much lighter. And I'm probably not even going to try to guess these. This one it feels like it has a lighter body on the palate now than the first class. And it has this weird aftertaste now. I guess it's kind of mixing with the cigar smoke that's still stuck on my palate. Kind of like pickles almost. Definitely think that was Knob Creek. You get that peanutty flavor, but a lot of the nice caramel and toffee flavors, cinnamon, kind of come past that cigar smoke. So overall, I would have to pick these two over this one, just right now. I'm going to go ahead and rinse again. I'm going to start with the middle cup, and then I'm going to work back through them one more time. All right. What? I'm really leaning towards Wild Turkey as this glass because I'm getting a lot of that rye spice, because it's supposedly, from what it says here on the label, high rye. So I'm getting a lot of that rye flavoring, that earthy hay type flavor that you pick up from most like heavy ryes. A rye whiskey. I'm kind of getting it, and I finished the glass, so it tastes good, but it's just not in this setting right now. After dinner, after after the cigar, after another glass of whiskey, it's just not. I'm just not feeling it. So. Let's go with this one. Really good flavors on that one, even still past the cigar smoke. There's a sharpness on the back end that I'm normally not a fan of, but right now it's okay. But it tastes really good. So far, I think I'm leaning more towards this glass. All right, last but not least. This will decide it. That one had a very drying effect on the palate. And honestly, like I think I would have to put these two even right now. I personally don't feel like I can pick a winner over these two. but this one I feel like is ahead in the grouping. So whoops. Let's go ahead and get one last taste. One quick taste. No rinser. Winner take all. And then we'll see what happens. So we're gonna go with, let's go with this one first because we've kind of went through, and this one's always been last. So it's good. Right now, the finish is kind of quick. It has that nuttiness to it. I'm really thinking this one's the Knob Creek. And I like Knob Creek a lot. So, like, none of these, I like all three of these whiskeys. So I'm not being biased at all. Like, I don't have a favorite. Like, money, if money was the object in the sole purpose of me buying the whiskey, it would be this one. But I could, if they were all the same price, I could float through all three of these at any given time. So. Yeah, I think I would have to third, second, and first. So, reminder: bottle A is marked. Bottle A is Wild Turkey, bottle B is Knob Creek, and bottle C is Henry McKenna. So, I'm gonna go third, second, and first. And in my opinion, I think this is Knob Creek, Wild Turkey, and Henry McKenna. So if that's the case, whatever this one is, it has a strong enough body after a cigar that it'll stand up to it. So it might be a better pairing for medium plus bodied cigars. So whatever it may be. So, drum roll please. We have in third place is B, Knob Creek. Yeah, I picked that nuttiness, a Jim Beam funky nut. In second place, I have a Wild Turkey. And in first place, after the cigar and dinner, we have Henry McKenna. Bottle number C. You can see it. Can you see it? Let us see. So, as you can see, I did 3 different blind tastings, 3 different videos at 3 different parts of the day, after lunch, dinner, and then after a cigar. Well, after lunch, no, I had lunch, then I had dinner, whatever, afternoon meal, snack. And then I had a tasting, and then after dinner or after supper and a cigar, we did it again. So 3 different videos, 3 different results. And I was really hoping it would end up that way, and I swear to God, I promise Scout's honor, I did not rig this in any way to pick what was what. I had no idea which bottle was which the entire time, and that's just how it happened. So it tells me that what you decide to eat that day, what you decide to smoke and put in your body, whatever, and on your taste buds and your palate, will have tremendous effects on how you taste your whiskey. Lesson learned. So, 3 videos, 3 different results. I mean, that's... And I enjoy all 3 of these. So, y'all have seen me do cigar reviews or cigar videos with Henry McKenna before. Y'all know I like Wild Turkey 101. I haven't done Knob Creek yet, but this is one of my go-tos whenever I go out to a bar. Because most people have it, and it's 100 proof, and it's about $9 for a double around here local. So, hey, I think this is a good experiment. I enjoyed it, and I think I might have to do some more tastings like it. So, with that said, with that said, don't forget to check out the Tattered Beans, folks. Order some coffee from me. It's really good. All you're gonna do is help out around here. Bills, buying whiskey. I'm gonna make my own blend now. Check out the Bearded Idiots. We laugh and joke around, but we're also serious from time to time. And like always, drink some whiskey, have fun with it, share it with your friends and family, be nice to people, and y'all have a good night. Take care. That's not too bad either. Y'all take care. We'll see you next time.